The conversation we are about to have is about a lawyer whose name is Stephen Kuselo Qeba, and I'm naming him because it's a widely publicized case. He is alleged to have paid only 50,000 rand to the child, the disabled child, from an amount that should have been 15 million. Is this man suspended from being a lawyer? Let's start there.
So we are still busy with the processes against the practitioner. The media report was regarding the investigation committee findings. So in those investigation committee findings, there were certain of the allegations that were not able to be proved at that stage. But we are not finalized with the proceedings against the practitioner. We are still proceeding. There's still a further disciplinary that needs to happen, and we are still going to court to act against the attorney.
Why was there a misreading, if I could call it that? Why was there a misreading of what the disciplinary committee had actually found? Because the news site, News 24, said that he had been cleared by the disciplinary committee. How could they have gotten that wrong if it wasn't contained in the documents? Because their reportage was based on documents that they said they had seen.
So I think, unfortunately, some of the reporting that we see in the media do tend to be a bit one-sided. What that report tended to leave out was the fact that he was found guilty on certain other charges. As I indicated at that stage, the bigger concerning charge of the misappropriation could not be at that stage at the investigation committee be proven. But as I indicated to you, so our process is a two-step process. The matter first goes to an investigation committee, who then needs to look at the evidence that's presented to them and then make recommendations to a disciplinary committee. So there are instances when, based on the findings of the investigation committee, we are able to immediately approach a court. But in most instances, we do need to, in serious cases, proceed to a disciplinary committee to have the final recommendation.
So what's the status of Mr. Stephen Kuselo Qeba right now?
So the status is, and bearing in mind that this is an Eastern Cape matter, but to my knowledge, the matter is going for a disciplinary hearing, at which stage we will then hopefully have the final conclusion about the rest of the charges.